Properties of matter. Did you know what water, air, and rocks all have in common? They are made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Everything around us is made up of matter, just in different shapes and forms. Matter can be grouped into three main states: solid, liquid, or gas. To figure out the state of matter which something is in, we need to examine its properties. A property is a characteristic of something. The properties that we look at to determine states of matter are shape, mass, and volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Volume is how much space an object occupies. Solids are easy to recognize. Rocks, apples, pencils, and plants are all examples of solid objects. The lemon that you are seeing is also an example of a solid. When you put a lemon in any container, it stays as it is. It does not change its shape according to the shape of the container. That is to say that a solid object has a definite or fixed shape that does not change when you move it or put it in a container. A solid object also has a definite mass and volume. A solid will change its shape only if forced. For example, if it is broken or smashed. If you look around, you can find many examples of solid objects. Liquid is the next state of matter. Liquids have definite volume and mass, but they do not have a definite shape. A liquid takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. Let us consider juice as an example of a liquid. The juice takes up the shape of the container in which it is poured. It has no shape of its own. You can find examples of liquids around you. Water, milk, and juice are just some of the liquids that you might find. The third state of matter is gas. The balloon is full of air, which is a gas. Gases have a definite mass but do not have a definite shape or volume. Like liquids, gases take the shape of their containers. Unlike liquids, gases will spread out to completely fill the container that they are in. If a gas is not in a container, it will continue spreading out. For example, if a gas stove is not switched off properly, the gas from the pipe or cylinder will quickly spread all over the room. The air that living things breathe is an example of a gas. You might have noticed that you cannot really see air. Often, gases cannot be seen, but they are still there. Examples of things which gas inside them include an inflated balloon, ball, or wheel. Matter in all its states is everywhere. See if you can find solids, liquids, and gases around you.